Explain very important part in this chapter, and it is nothing but it is fuel cell. Actually, fuel cells are a special type of galvanic cells which are capable of producing electricity continuously as long as the fuel is supplied to them. So they are a special type of galvanic cells. They are a special type of galvanic cells capable of producing electricity as long as the concerned fuels are fed to them. So the concerned fuels, children, fuel cells are of different type. Methane based on hydrogen, oxygen, based on methanol, ethanol, etc. So there are different types. They are of different types, like hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, then methane fuel cell, ethanol fuel cell. So they are the different type of fuel cells, and it means as hydrogen oxygen is used as starting material used as reactant. So what happens? There is the reaction and then the formation of water and current is produced. Similarly, methane gas is supplied, and so there is formation of electricity. Similarly, ethanol, it is used nowadays. So this is the demand of the future, because they are eco-friendly. In foreign countries, the buses, the vehicles, they are running on the ethanol, running on the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. There are the plates, there are special type of cells, and the fuel is supplied and current is produced, and the current is used to drive the vehicle. Now first we'll take up the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, the construction, working, etc. Now coming to the construction and the working of the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So it is made up of three compartments. This is the anodic compartment, and this is the cathodic compartment. So this is the cathodic compartment, and this is anodic compartment. Compartment means chamber or the places. So see, first compartment, first chamber, this is anodic or this is anode. The central is it is electrolytic. It is electrolytic chamber. It is electrolytic chamber. Electrolytic chamber. This is electrolytic chamber, and it has the aqueous KOH or NaOH. It is aqueous KOH or NaOH. Now this side there is the cathodic chamber. So first, second, and third. Now see here, these are the a special type of perforated material. It is made up of pure graphite. This is perforated layer having particles of silver or gold or platinum. The heavy metals, the heavy metals, they act as catalyst. So this also, it is also. So here it is same. It is also perforated, means very minute holes. It is such that only the pure hydrogen gas is passed. So this is the hydrogen gas is being passed through the anodic compartment, and through the cathodic compartment or through the cathode, pure oxygen gas is passed. Again see, fuel cell, this is typical hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. It is made up of three compartments. Anodic compartment, this is electrolytic chamber, and this is the cathodic. As it was same in case of galvanic cell, A, B and C. So this is the perforated or with very minute holes, and it is perforated, it is made up of graphite, pure graphite, perforated graphite, you can say graphite layer having particles of silver, gold and platinum. So this is also perforated graphite layer with silver, gold, platinum, etc. That is catalyst. This electrolytic chamber, it has a strong solution of innovator KOH. Now see the reaction. This is the reaction. So at anode what happens? There is always oxidation, that is loss of electrons. So see, the hydrogen gas is passed from this, hydrogen gas is bubbled. Hydrogen gas is bubbled through anodic compartment, and gas passes, it perforates, it diffuses. And here the OH ions are present. OH ions are present, and there is a reaction. So this reaction, there is formation of water molecule, and water molecule is present here, and as a result electrons are produced, and so water is pushed out. Water is produced as a byproduct. Now coming to this is the passing of pure oxygen gas. So again the same reaction, chemical reaction takes place, and due to chemical reaction electrode potential is developed. Some potential is developed, and so see here O2 gas plus 2s2. This S2 is present here in this, and so it uses the 4 electrons, and then 4 OH ions are produced. 4 OH ions are produced. Now as a result of this, the electrons here produced, 2 are consumed here. So then we have to naturally balance the equation, and so there. And here, if we write down the net reaction, see how? So here I have written, at anode, hydrogen gas is passed, and this is from electrolyte. So we may write from electrolyte, hydroxyl ions are taken, there is formation of water molecules, and the 4 electrons are produced in the reaction. Now, so this is at anode, there is the oxidation. Now what happens at cathode? There will be the reduction. So the oxygen gas is passed through the cathodic chamber, cathodic compartment, and the cathodic compartment, every compartment, they have separation. They have perforated graphite layer. It contains pieces of silver, gold, platinum, that is catalyst. Now water will be taken, and the electrons here produced, they are consumed here, and this hydroxyl ions are produced. So in the electrolytic chamber, the concentration of base remains constant. So see here how electrons produced are consumed here, and here the 4 OH, this S2O, 2S2O, and here it comes 2, and 4 is eligible 4. So see, 2H2 gas plus O2 gas, and so here we have the remaining of 2H2O. There is summation of 2H2O. So this is the net reaction. This is the net reaction. Now coming to the application. So fuel cells are highly important in the spacecrafts, space missions. Children, in the side of space, lot of electricity is required from different sources. So it is very important for the space mission because it gives the astronauts water for different purposes. So number one, it was used earlier days, nowadays also, because we cannot carry generators. So either the portable batteries or nickel cadmium batteries or lithium batteries are there, or solar plates are there also. And this is the third also. but this is more important. And so, in the space mission, so uses in space crafts in pollution-free vehicles. In European countries, pollution-free vehicles, cars, buses, etc., they are running, and so many more in the laboratories, and so this is all. One negative point about this. What is negative point? Well, they are expensive, as they contain the particles of silver, gold, platinum, and they are very costly. And second point is the availability of pure and dry oxygen gas and hydrogen gas. So it is not easy to find this. And third is the corrosive nature of alkali. So alkali, which we use as electrolyte, it is corrosive in nature. Even then, in spite of this, they are highly beneficial for the space mission. So this is all about the fuel cells.